Tango's a sleepy parrot. He's getting sleepy. He's had a very busy day. Stephen made him a new toy. Right there. His new toy. Stephen spent half... Yeah, he can speak. He'll speak when he feels like it. And at the moment he feels like just sitting on the chair beside me. Hello, Tango. Little honey. Oh, you'll just have to watch and listen. Watch the scopes of Tango and you'll get to hear what he says. What you have to say for yourself today, Tango? Mostly it's awk awk. Hello, honey. He was swimming like a fish earlier. That was pretty cool. I wish I had that on Periscope. He does do a nice job. Say, pretty parrot, pretty parrot. How many words do you know, Tango? He's thinking about it. Oh, how old he is a mystery. He's a rescue parrot. So we don't know a whole lot about how old he is. No, and he's not going to tell me. He shook his head. Yeah, how old are you? He shakes his head. He is a superstar and he knows it. Sometimes I call him Freddie Mercury because he poses and he loves to make noises along to Bohemian Rhapsody. That's one of his favorite songs. I'll play Bohemian Rhapsody and sing along and he'll make all sorts of noises. Hey, you like Bohemian Rhapsody, don't you, Tango? Yeah. Yeah, he does. Pretty boy. He's watching the birds outside right now. There's lots of birds to watch out the window. Hello, honey. He likes to listen to the Nature Channel on TV. They play nature music. And that's what we're doing this afternoon. Yeah. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. We'll see if there's anything out there. It's pretty quiet right now, but we were having a lot of pheasants earlier out there today. I don't see any pheasants right now. Lots of pheasants, lots of chickadees. Oh, here come some birds. Little birds. One little bird sitting on the chair. Oh, here they are. Let's turn this around. Oh, yeah, it's cold outside. I don't know how cold it is, but it's a bit chilly. Sure was a cold day yesterday. Just looking for the little birds to come back. Is that what you're doing, Tango? Or are you just watching the birds today? Yeah, I don't know what the temperature is. But hubby's home now. He's went out to get some food to barbecue. We got the grill going. So we're gonna have barbecue even though it's a cold day. Hello there, let's see. And there's Tango. Tango, Steven's home. He's getting all, yeah, he's gonna pose. Gonna pose for you all, yes. Oh, Renee Hinterhorn. Okay, I will do that. Pardon? All right. Yeah, hi Tango. Hubby's home.